So my name's Cristol Barret O'Loughlin, and I'm the founder and CEO of Aid. We lead the Rare Givers Coalition, which is focused on mental health and well-being services for patients, caregivers, and professionals all around the world, including India. We partner with IndoUSrare for the last several years. We know how important the community in India is. We've been working together to create our wellness tools. The Rare Givers Emotional Journey Map was actually tested through a focus group of families in India. We also have been working with the families in India through IndoUSrare to translate into Hindi and other multilingual dialects that will help us reach more people. Our rare diseases are unique. Our common experience is the emotional impact of that lived experience on the caregiver and the whole family. And so what we found in partnering with IndoUSrare is a community of very heart-led individuals that are willing to kind of go deep into their emotions and share with us and with each other what it's like to have the range of feelings that you have when you're either living with or caring for someone with a rare disease. Dr. Harsha Rajasimha was one of the original founders of the Rare Givers Coalition 2.5 years ago. Since the 12 of us sat around a table in Washington, D.C. to talk about how to build emotional well-being services for caregivers, the IndoUSrare organization has been with us side by side through the entire process, helping us identify published research, helping us put together our Rare Givers Emotional Journey Map, and then helping us test that journey map in country, specifically with families in the India community, and then translate those materials into Hindi and other dialects. So from the very beginning, they've been an amazing partner, and we can't wait to see where we go in the future, especially since Microsoft is also by our side and we're starting to test artificial intelligence and other technologies in order to reach more and more families around the world. So one of the most emotional areas for rare families is during the clinical trial process, and even more so in pediatric clinical trials. We established a working group. IndoUSrare is part of that working group, and we've been testing our thinking and our proposed education services. So one of the most emotional areas in the rare disease space is the clinical trials experience. And IndoUSrare has been a key partner with us since the very beginning to identify ways to reduce the stress and anxiety during the whole rare disease experience, including clinical trials. So one of our working groups in the Rare Givers Coalition, of which IndoUSrare is a part, is around pediatric clinical trials. And one of the things that we found that can reduce anxiety in the clinical trial experience is just setting expectation. So Aid is in a great position to do webinars and other educational series to help families understand what to expect from any clinical trial experience. Why is a placebo used? What could the impact be of travel and being away from the rest of the family? The increased need for testing and diagnostics, can create many traumas like needle pokes, fears, and other kinds of worries within the patient. So what we're trying to do is take something that is clinically necessary and add an emotional and well-being education package around it so that we can just take some of the energy and the worry out of the process. There are so many topics being discussed at this conference, and one of the most surprising to me is really thinking about your genetic makeup and how that might determine your family planning. So knowledge is power, and if we can avoid disease before it even happens, just by having an awareness of what our genetic history is, I think that that could be incredibly powerful for families such as mine. I'm a carrier of MPS II. My daughter is a carrier of MPS II. My mother is a carrier of MPS II. So you've got 3 generations of carriers, and I think that that could be really important for the future. I just want to say a heartfelt thank you to Nisha and the staff and the team that put together this conference. It's one of the most well-organized conferences I've ever attended, and I'm just blown away by all the communication, all of the direction, and just the huge undertaking. It's been amazing. Thank you.